Local news for Monday the 1st of October. A system trialled for the first time in 1958 in Masterton and in Carterton is celebrating 60 years. The 111 emergency number was fully rolled out by 1988 across New Zealand and today receives approximately 2.1 million calls a year. Figures released by realestate.co.nz show the average asking price in Wairarapa is down 6.8% to $484,983. Housing stock is also down 4%, while new listings are also down nearly 11%. And in sport, the Farriers at Wairarapa Bush caused a major upset Saturday, toppling High Flyers South Canterbury 27-24 on a perfect day at Trust House Memorial Park. The Stags keep the visitors scoreless in the second half after they were down 24-12 at half-time, scoring 15 unanswered points to secure the victory.